During a university lecture, Professor Julian talks about Neanderthals, an extinct group of archaic humans. He explains they supposedly were very dumb and absolute savages based on the studies of Darwin and Galton. Their theories could tell how civilized and intelligent someone was just by their appearance. Julian disagrees, saying current humanity has a bit of Neanderthals in them. He also reveals that the world ace only non-fossilized Neanderthals was found by his boss and has named William after the scientist who recognized Neanderthals as a separate species. He finishes the lecture by pointing out it could theoretically be possible to create a living Neanderthals using William's DNA. Endocrinologist Barbara watches the entire lecture. And later that day, she looks for Julian at a restaurant. She brings up the possibility of cloning Williams, which would be very hard and complicated, but not impossible. They spend their dinners discussing the details behind the process. And by the end of the evening, Barbara is curious to know why Julian's obsessed with Neanderthals in particular. To answer that, Julian takes Barbara to his lab and shows her two stone tools. One was made by Homo sapiens and the other one by Neanderthals. There's no difference between them. So Julian thinks they could learn a lot about humanity by studying our closest cousin that night. Julian and Barbara fall in love. From then on, the couple starts working on the Neanderthals cloning project. And in only 2 years, they release 3 groundbreaking papers. On the subject, they also move in together and have a wonderful romantic life. Unfortunately, many important scientists and university donors are worried about the morals behind this project and the potential backlash, so they cancel. Subscribe this to watch next part.